especially to you, ma'am. So, my report is all about the personality disorder. So, number one point of personality disorder is antisocial personality disorder. People with antisocial personality disorder are among the most puzzling of the individuals a clinician will see in a practice and are characterized as having a history of failing to comply with social norms. They perform actions most of us would find unacceptable, such as from friends and family. They also tend to be irresponsible and harmful, according to De Brito and Ginson. Many of we experience social personality because we experience that we experience that uh, we are not accepted. We are not we are not uh, we are not accepted by who we are. So, antisocial personality disorder is part of rejection and unacceptable. So, gaya nga nasabi ni De Brito and Hangid 2009 na andoon na yung yung parang wala ng tiwala yung mga tao sa kanya. So, yung antisocial personality disorder, nagme-make siya ng become an irresponsible and impulsive and deceitful. So, yun po yung mga symptoms ng antisocial personality disorder. And individuals with antisocial personality disorder tend to have long histories of violating the rights of others. So, according to Black 2013, Hare at 2012, they are often described as being aggressive because they take what they want, indifferent to the concerns of the other people. Lying and cheating seem to be second nature of them. Often, often they appear unable to tell difference between the truth and the lies they make up to further their own goals. So they show no remorse or concern over the sometimes devastating effects their actions. Substance abuse is common in people with antisocial personality disorder and appears to be a lifelong pattern among these. So, you know na according sa clinical description, individuals with antisocial personal disorder has a histories of violating of the rights. So, minsan hindi natin mahuhusgahan yung isang tao na ayaw socialize because they have the histories of violating rights. So, doon no na uh, as being aggressive because they take what they want indifferent to others. Many of they are they aggressive because they what they want. So like and cheating, second nature, and often they're unable to tell the difference between the truth and make up the personality disorder. Individuals with this chronic personality disorder tend to be overly dramatic and often seem almost to be acting, which is why the term is chronic, which means become social personality disorder in criminality. Although Clickley did not deny that many psychopaths are at greatly elevated risk for criminal and antisocial behaviors, he did emphasize that some have few or no legal or interpersonal difficulties. In other words, some psychopaths are not criminals and some do not display outward aggressiveness that was included in the DSM-5 TR criteria for antisocial personality disorder. Personality disorder, we all know people who think highly of themselves, perhaps exaggerating their real abilities. They consider themselves somehow different from others and deserve special treatment. In a systematic tendency is taken its with narcissism whose story. So, uh, the narcissistic personality, yun ang yung tao na ina-exaggerate nila yung totoong abilities nila and they consider themselves how different from others. So, parang nagkakaroon sila ng pagka-comparative. Yung nandun talaga yung i-compare nila yung sarili nila na mas deserve nila ng special treatment. Yan yung narcissistic personality disorder. This tendency is taken to its extreme in different of so in Hayward was he of his own beauty. He spent his days admiring his own image, reflected in a pool of water psychoanalysis, including Freud, used the term narcissistic to describe people who show an exaggerated sense of self-importance and are preoccupied with receiving attention. According to Rolling Stone, 2012, consider natin yung mga narcissistic personality disorder. Yun yung grabe nila exaggerate yung self-importance nila and grabe nila i-reflect yung and i-admire yung own image nila.